parents. Today I'll talk about form constancy, a component of visual perception. In my last videos I told you about visual closure and spatial relationship. Today I'll talk about form constancy. Now form constancy refers to the ability to recognize and label objects even when they are viewed from a different angle or when they are presented in different environment. So for an example, if you see a dog, different varieties of breeds of dog, they still remain the same. All the varieties are different, breeds are different, but the constant term is the dog. So in the same way, I have taken two triangles, like these, both of them are triangles, but one is small and one is big, and they are of different sizes also. So this is an example of form constancy. So if your child has poor form constancy, he will not be able to recognize letters, shapes and numbers when they are presented in a different manner. So starting from the concrete level, how to teach your child the form constancy, you have to start with the matching game. And you can take out the things from your home only. Like I'll show you, I have taken these shapes concept. So this is circle. So now different shapes I have made on the floor. Now you take different objects, because you have to teach your child the different forms. So you have to take the different objects. So like this, the birthday cap, and the child has to place which shape is this? This is triangle, so he has to place it here. In the same way, this is a tape. So what shape is this? This is a circle, so the child will place it here. Now this is the box, and what is the shape of the box? The heart shape, so he has to place it here. This. In the same way, this is also, the shape is heart, so he has to place it here. Now what is the shape of the box? It's a hexagon, so he has to place it here. Now this, what shape is this? This is also a hexagon. So all these things are, objects are different, but the constant term is the shape. So this is form constancy. Now this is protractor, this is semicircle, so he has to place it here. In the same way, this is a star, so place it here. This is a, what is this? This is a wallet, and wallet is of which shape? Rectangle, so he has to place it here. This is a hanger. Now what shape is this? This is a triangle, so he will place it here. And what is this? This is a ladle, and what shape is this? It's oval, so he will place it here. What is this? This is a badge. Which shape is this? It's a circle. What's this? This is a stapler pins. And what is the shape of this box? It's a rectangle. What is this? This is a baking tray, baking dish. So what is the shape? It's a rectangle. So he has to place it. So again, this is the last circle. So like this, and this is the board game. It's a square shape. So like this, you can teach your child. You can play a game with him. And I've taken this. This is also a Gujia Sacha. So it's a semicircle like right here. Now I'll show you the worksheets. These are the simple level exercises, simple level activities. Now when the child is able to, the older children can play this game. Now they have to color all the triangles. So they have to find different sizes of triangles are there. So they have to color in the triangles. So this is based on form constancy. Now another is, these all are A, written in different fonts. So the child has to recognize A, 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 A. These all are B, B, B. So like this, you can make a worksheet. You can show them, your child, these all are shoes. All the varieties are different. Even from your home also, you can tell your different varieties of shoes are there, and the child can recognize the forms are different, but the basic shapes, the shoes remain the same. So you can make the worksheet like this. Circle the wrong letter. So the child has to find the wrong letter. So he'll circle the V. The same way, he will circle the N. So like this, you can teach your child the form constancy. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.